Hi, I'm Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the WonderMill Company. Now we're going to show you a fabulous recipe for a sweet potato orange roll. I love rolls any time of the year, holiday season, it doesn't matter. I love a wonderful light roll. So we're going to make these amazing rolls. So here I have a heated, already cooked potato. I cooked a big, large sweet potato in my pressure cooker, and I just put it in the microwave with a little bit of butter and milk, and you can do it on the stovetop, it doesn't matter. And now we're just going to pour this in here, and it's kind of warm, but I'm not worried about that. And then we're going to take about 3/4 of a can of orange juice concentrate. We're going to dump that in there, and that's going to give them a really wonderful orange flavor. For our sweetener, we're going to add some agave, not very much because the orange juice is sweet. And then we're going to put in some eggs. Eggs and milk really give rolls their light, fluffy texture that we like when we make a dinner roll. We're doing 4 eggs in this one. And of course, we don't want to forget our salt. Rolls without salt are pretty bad. There we go. And then we're going to put our flour on the top of that. And then on top of the flour, we're going to place our yeast. Now the reason I placed the yeast on top of the flour, you saw how hot the potato and the milk was. We don't want to kill the yeast. If I would have dropped the yeast down there, it might have been too hot. But when I put it on the top of the flour and then turn on my mixer, I never have to worry about the temperature of the liquid underneath. So everything is in there. We're going to turn on the mixer. We're going to add flour until it starts to clean the sides of the bowl. We want it to be a little bit sticky. Once it pulls away from the side, we're going to let it knead for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to dump it out on the counter and make our rolls. The yam has given it a beautiful orange color, which is perfect with the orange flavor. Look at that, how pretty that is. Isn't that amazing? So now we're just going to dump our dough out on the counter. And we're going to form the rolls. Oh, look at the color of that dough. And the dough is a little bit sticky. But remember, the stickier the dough, the lighter the roll. And these are going to be really light by the stickiness of this dough. We're just going to fold this over so we can work with it a little bit better. Oh my goodness, that's absolutely beautiful. Now I have a pan here, and in the pan I just took a cube of butter, put my pan in the oven and melted the butter, and then I'm just going to take the rolls and set them right on top of the butter. Is what that does, it gives them a wonderful, buttery, flaky crust. So I just take a handful of the dough, and then just take it through my fingers right there and just form a little roll. Then just take and place them in the pan. We're going to fill the pan up. We're going to let them rise to double and bake them. After we bake them, we're going to cover them with an orange glaze. Our rolls are out of the oven. Aren't they beautiful? The yam in there gave them the perfect color. I love having a sweet and a savory roll with my holiday meal. This is going to be the sweet one. You can click below to the link for the recipe for the rosemary black pepper rolls, which would be the perfect companion roll to this. Now we're just going to create a little orange glaze to go over the top to finish them off. We have some powdered sugar and some butter. I have some melted butter, and we're going to put a little bit of that leftover orange concentrate from when we made the rolls. And we're just going to whisk this. That's so pretty. And then we're just going to take our whisk and just drizzle this over the top. And it's going to kind of melt down in there, and these are just going to be melt in your mouth. Perfect rolls to go with your turkey or ham or whatever you're cooking for your holiday meal. Now that looks like the perfect holiday roll. Enjoy your holiday rolls and your holiday season. Those are really good. Wow.